Poppy is a project we started some months ago, and with Poppy we wanted to give an example about the platform, 3D Experience platform can help the process in the company. So it's a little robot, but it's really challenging because we have different disciplines to do in the same product. We have software, we have mechanical parts, electronics. And important is to understand how to split all these activities but work in the same environment, in the same platform. The most important thing for me is the team we have created. We create a team to collaborate, and this is very important because we want to sell and we want to explain to people that collaboration is important. And to do that, we first of everybody we do this. So with other guys, with Inter, we took and they help a lot for this project. We started this project. We understood the process that should be in companies. So understand how to collaborate, understand how to revision data, how to version, not to use the same data, but try to understand the right process to understand who has to do what. So this is very important things and the main topics of the robot and the platform. We have an application that can help us to develop, to create this part, 3D part, and that it's important because nowadays we can do the same part lighter but more resistant. So you can understand that it's a value because you can reduce the weight of your product or your system, and but have a good system with more quality. Other things is now the Poppy is all plastic, but our intention, and it will happen, it's already happening, is to use metallic printers because it allows companies to reduce the time to produce, to realize a prototype. And this is very important. Instead of 2 months where they have to create the printer, they have to create the stamp, instead of two months, they spend 2 days to realize the same component. Yeah, this is the production and also all what comes before the production. It's important to manage the data before. If you start good, then everything works good. In the future, we will develop and we will go specific in some discipline, in new innovative disciplines, and we will go deeply in that use case we didn't develop in detail. So there are a lot of activities to do yet.